Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I've been into Swagbucks a lot lately. It's one of my favorite ways to make money online. Amazing website. Obviously the most well-trusted website online for easy ways to make money. But recently I have figured out a way that you can actually earn money in your sleep. So let me explain. Um, Everybody's favorite section of Swag Bucks for the people that don't like doing surveys is usually the watch section. And of course, the way most people make a lot of money without surveys is in Crave. But recently, I've noticed that they have this one that automatically goes to next in Crave on its own. It's the one that has the giant TV on it. So you let this play and it will automatically go to the next enclave by itself. It gives you 1 cent per playlist you go through, and you can do this while you sleep since it is automatic. So yeah, you guys, this is how you make money with Swagbucks automatically. So, subscriber asked me, can you make money on Swag Bucks passively? Yes, you can, and you have to use this playlist. The other playlist you have to click through, but I will advise you do get paid faster if you click through. So it is worth your time if you decide to do that. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you this automatic way of making money on Swag Bucks. You can do this on the phone also if you click on desktop view. If your phone has a desktop view of Swagbucks that you could use with the Chrome app version, you can do this with a phone. So yeah, you guys, that is my review of how to make money while you sleep with Swagbucks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.